Hello everyone, in this 1 minute video I will explore machine learning and its common models. Please stay tuned. The purpose of machine learning is to train a models that can identify patterns in large amount of data. You can then use the patterns to make a prediction that provide you with a new insights on which you can take actions. Let us begin by understanding the 4 common types of machine learning models. Classification. Predict a categorical value like whether a customer may leave. Regression. Predict a numerical value like the price of a product. Clustering. Group similar data points into a clusters or group. Forecasting. Predict future numerical values based on time series data like the expected sales for the coming month. Choosing the right machine learning models. To decide which type of machine learning model you need to train, you first need to understand the business problem and the data available to you. Thank you for watching.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.